Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Judith Egbe. We are looking at a series that is centered around the family. And we started in my last video, we talked about a helpmate. And the topic before us is a helpmate or a ton. In our last video, we were able to describe who a helpmate is. And today we are going to be looking at a ton. As people will say, a thorn in the flesh. Who is a thorn, or what is a thorn? A thorn is something that causes discomfort, something that causes torment, something that causes torture, something that causes pain. That is what a thorn is. And we are looking at it from the aspect of the home. There are women that are thorn. The way we have a helpmate, so also we have a thorn in the home. We are going to look at the characteristics of a thorn. A thorn is that woman that is bad-mouthed. A thorn is that woman that looks for every opportunity to humiliate her husband. A thorn is that woman that denies her husband of his conjugal rights just because maybe there is no money or things are not going well the way she wants. A thorn is that woman that does not care about any other person but herself. A thorn is that woman that humiliates her husband, irrespective of where the husband is at that point in time. A thorn is that woman that drives the husband away from home. The husband is scared of coming home after the close of work. The husband is happy when he's in the office, he's happy when he's in the midst of his friends, he's happy with his colleagues, but once it's time for him to come home, he becomes scared because he knows that trouble awaits him at home. A thorn is that woman that does not know how to manage resources. All she does is to squander money. Even when there's little resources in the home, even when the income coming in at that point in time is not enough to sustain the family, instead of her to think of how to manage it, all she does is to squander it. She spends it on partying, buying the rainy thing, buying fashion, buying uniform for parties and all that. A thorn is a woman that does not understand the pains of her husband. A thorn is the woman that compares her husband with other men. A thorn is the woman that looks down on her husband, that feels her husband is worthless, that feels the husband has nothing to offer. A thorn is that woman that never sees anything good in what the husband does. A thorn is the woman that exposes the husband's lapses in presence of the children and the general public. A thorn is the woman that has turned the husband against his family. A thorn is the woman that has driven away all her in-laws and the husband's friend from their house. A thorn is a woman that is not kind. She's not hospitable. She does not want to see her in-laws around. She does not want to see close people to the husband around. She only wants her friends, her family members to be around the home. A thorn is the woman that mocks at her husband's weakness. She ridicules her husband when things are not going well for the husband. She is never a support pillar. She can never be a confidant because the husband does not even have the opportunity to talk to her. At every slight thing the husband says, she gets provoked. She gets angry. She doesn't know how to control her temper. She doesn't know when to speak. She doesn't know when to be quiet. She doesn't know when to react and when not to react. Everything is just all about herself. She's not a good mother. She's not a good wife. It's just all about satisfying her selfish desires. A thorn is that woman that believes marriage is a competition. Instead of supporting her husband to achieve their desires, their dreams, she believes she should compete with the husband. When she's earning, her husband is earning, instead of them to come together and think of what to do with the money, She believes if the husband does this, she should do a bigger one, as if they are in a competition in the home. A thorn is that woman that buys something for the children, and she comes home and reminds the children that this shirt, if not for me that I bought you shirts, you'd have been walking naked in the street. That your worthless father, that your useless father cannot afford anything. A thorn is that woman that makes the husband tiresome. The husband begins to regret marrying her. A thorn is that woman that the husband never misses. In fact, at every opportunity the man has to leave the house, he's very, very happy. A thorn is a woman that does not know how to command conversation when there is a conflict or when there is a problem in the home. Rather, all she does is to nag the husband. At a point, the man might even get tired and feel like running away from the home. A thorn is the woman that has made her home a living hell for the husband. A thorn is a woman that goes about gossiping about her husband, that tells her friend her husband's weaknesses, that talk to her friend about everything that goes on in the home. Instead of turning to God and begging God to help her to solve those things in her home, she preferred to go to friends. She preferred to humiliate her husband. She preferred to tell her friends about how useless and how stupid her husband is. A thorn is that woman that the only thing that comes out of her mouth is curses. She doesn't know how to bless. A thorn is that woman that look for the slightest opportunity to make the husband feel less of a man. A thorn is that woman that exposes the husband's ineptitude to the whole world. A thorn is that woman that when there's problem at home, instead of supporting the husband, she runs away and abandons the home. A thorn is that woman that believes that the only time she should be in that marriage is when things are going well, is when things are rosy. At every slightest opportunity, when things doesn't go well, she look for a way to either run away or to fight the husband. A thorn is that woman that instead of doing something meaningful with her time, thinking of how to take care of the children, helping them to do their assignments and do meaningful things, all she bothers about is just waiting for her husband to come back so that she can scroll through his phone to see who sent him a text message, to see the last person he called. Irrelevant things. A thorn is that woman that believes her resources is for her alone. She's working or she's trading, but she believes the money that comes in is for her. She's in the category of those women that say, my money is my own. My husband's money is our own. A thorn is that woman that if she spends her money to buy even the little thing at home when the husband is not around, as soon as the husband comes back, the husband will have to make refunds. Otherwise, there will be no peace in that home. A thorn is a woman that does not know how to comfort her husband when he is in pain. A thorn is that woman that does not even know how to take care of her home. You might even be a terrible cook. That woman that does not even want to learn. A thorn is that woman that hates correction. She does not want to be corrected. A thorn is that woman that feels she is perfect, that every other person is wrong. She is the only one that is always right. A thorn is that woman that does not believe in talking to God about the situation in their home. She would rather talk to men. She would rather talk to friends. She would rather talk to relatives when there is a problem in the home. A thorn is a woman that treats her husband as if he's a nobody. A thorn is that woman that when the husband comes back from work, instead of giving the husband a big hug, instead of welcoming the man, helping him to freshen up, Think of how you tidy up the home. Think of how you prepare food and something he will take. A turn is that woman. That at times the husband might even come home. The husband might not even eat for a week because she will not even give him food. I've heard stories of women that don't give their husband food. Maybe the husband just provoke her. She'll say, come and eat now. Not because the husband is not making provision. Because on her own she felt that is the way she can punish the man. She will not give him food. A week will pass through. The husband comes back from work. She will not offer him food or anything. A turn is that woman that in church she's a saint. She speaks in tongues. In fact, she counsels people. She talks to people how to fear God, to love God. But at home, she is the type that they say, do what I say and not what I do. Because at home, she's a thorn in the flesh. A thorn is that woman that her character cannot even convert her unbelieving husband. A thorn is that woman that her character does not even endear her children close to her. Her children are always running away from her. You will see her sons say, I will not want to have somebody that like my mommy. I pray God should not. Some will even say they don't want to get married just because of their mother's character. A thorn is a woman that turned the house to a battlefield. A thorn is that woman that is always looking for ways to create problems in the home. A thorn is that woman that the husband cannot come back to and tell all that happened in the office to, because she will never listen. A thorn is that woman that the husband cannot even joke with. When the husband tries to tease her and play with her, it becomes an offense. She flares up, and the next thing, another stage of fight starts in the home. A thorn is that woman that is full of lies. She lies to her husband. She lies to friends. Everything around her is just full of lies. A thorn is that woman that is fighting everybody around her. A thorn is that woman that has forgotten that the Bible says we should be submissive to our husband. A thorn is that woman that is a saint in the church and a terror at home. A thorn is that woman that believes she can never make a mistake, that she is Mrs. Perfect. A thorn is that woman that has denied the husband of every good thing that is in marriage. A thorn is that woman that has brought untold hardship, poverty into the home because of mismanagement. A thorn is that woman that instead of bringing favor to her husband, as the Bible says in the book of Proverbs, she has brought disfavor because they cannot pray together even when there is battle. Instead of her praying with her husband, she turned to fight her husband. A thorn is that woman that her husband cannot confide in, because the moment her husband confides in her, there is problem. A thorn is that woman that humiliates her husband in presence of her children. She shouts at her husband. The husband does not have a voice in the home. In fact, she is the authority in the home. A thorn is that woman that has turned her husband to a slave, and she has become the boss in the home. A thorn is that woman that finds it difficult to say sorry, even when she is the one at fault. A thorn is that woman that makes her husband feel he is worthless. A thorn is that woman that has made her husband become hypertensive, that has even made her husband start contemplating suicide. A thorn is that woman that when the going is not going well, instead of turning to God, instead of being a source of encouragement, she becomes a torture and a torment to her husband. I would like to stop here today. We have been able to highlight some points about a helpmeet and a thorn in the flesh. In our next video in this series, we are going to compare them, and after this comparison that we have done so far in our first video and this second video, I think by now you should know where you belong, and you should start thinking of making amends if you are in the wrong path. I believe that after this series, God will help us, God will heal our home, God will bring peace to our home, and any marriage that is going through storm, that the peace of God that supersedes all human understanding will fall upon that marriage, and things will begin to work well for that marriage. Thanks for watching my channel. Stay blessed. Do have a nice time. Bye.